unboxing Friday the 13th, which is a lucky day. This is exciting. 13 Black Needle Society, Stitchybox, Smaller Bash, Most Wonderful Christmas, Kitten Stitcher, Shakespeare's Peddler, and Caterpillar. So day 13 is Stacy Nash Designs for the Most Wonderful box, Most Wonderful Christmas 24 box. And I love Stacy Nash. I just participated in the Jingle Ball, and yes, I have not started to stitch the project yet, but I will. So you can probably hear that paper rustling. It is not me. It is both. I'm filming a different way today. Today, instead of my iPhone, I'm using the iPad. So, I should say. Okay, fine. You notice Black Needle Society, the 13th. I have to find the camera. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Is there a Christmas tree in here? No, I'm very little. Oh! You know how I am about my needle minders. See, I think this is better because you can see everything really nice and close up now. So I think I'll use the iPad. Caterpillar, magnetic needle minder. Look at the polar bears. Look how cute this is. Now they're British, right? So you want to hit those sales and save on the postage. But I do love airmail. The British do it right. It comes pretty quickly. So I think every stitcher has something they really love. And I seem to be about needle minders. I started putting them on this magnetic wall and then trying not to order one I already have. So snow bears. So this is interesting. I wonder what that means. Is that a hint of future projects? And then we have our little elf box. And then he goes back into the big caterpillar box and then it'll make a picture. I don't know, I think that's exciting, but I do. Okay, this is day 13. The nice list, open a nice way. You don't know what you're getting. I'm listening just under the camera, but I haven't figured out the iPad camera yet. Ooh. Oh. I feel floss. Oh. Floss. Ooh. Classic Colorworks. Okay, we have to explore this. Let's move the other things away. Balsam fir. Very Christmassy. Hollyberry. This is classic Colorworks. Caribbean waters. Okay, that's my favorite color. I love teals and ocean, just like oceany. Okay, I'm never buying any more greens because I'm certainly getting a lot of greens. Pea pod. River rocks. Now, river rocks. Everyone should have classic Colorworks river rocks because if you notice, a lot of charts, a lot of patterns. I think river rocks is pretty much a classic. I like that, and I like the iPad because it's fun to post it. Now look at my nails. I'm gonna try to get them done. Okay, and then I'll just have that out because I love their little book. Okay, this is Stitchybox. I'm just going to borrow that Stacy Nash envelope, borrow that down here. Page 13. Brody is kind of quiet. I fed him dinner, and then he kind of dumped things out of the bowl and then asked for dinner. So I think what he wanted was me to eat, what he does. I kind of like that. There's a lot of food along the page. I keep reminding him that he is not, or his people came from originally Bolivia. We have some beads, some pretty beads. It says seed beads. Add some little red berries or accents to your stitching with these little beads. And you can see, you can get a needle through there. That's the important thing, that you're able to get a needle. Right? Let's see what Stacy Nash has for her. This is the charts are limited edition by the designer. And they're allowed after a year to sell the charts on their website and how they choose to do that. Oh, Mary Chicken's Pinky. I love how I'm not sure which way this is going to go. So we're on the orange of the video. Okay, that is so cute. It's a chicken ski. It's a chicken sledding. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I live in Texas. We don't get snow. You know what we get in Texas? Everybody? 1, 2, 3. Ice. Yeah. Oh, they can't drive in Texas on snow. Aha. No. We don't get snow. We get ice. 40 count Shakespeare's Heathered Linen. Now, I do love Stacey Nash. She showed somebody had done something in 40 count and then somebody had done something in a much bigger count. Her Animal Crackers series is really brilliant. And I hope I did order the new Animal Cracker. But I like charts. I'm not so much a PDF person. I prefer charts. And yes, if you say pattern keeper, I will tell you that I don't have anything that will work with pattern keeper. So I still prefer charts. That is day 13. I'm getting so close. And I understand the naughty people. So I'm speeding up my videos so I can open up the gifts closer and then just, put them, post them later on. So yes, I'm with you. You don't want to wait anymore. And again, shout out to the Black Nurse Society, Kitten Stitcher, Shakespeare Feather, you're rocking out, haven't do that, Stitchybox, and Caterpillar, the Brits. So, good day, and good luck to you. Don't be scared of those black cats.